In this tutorial, we're going to introduce you to plugin management, including installing, removing, and configuring plugins. Starting off on our website here, we'll just go into the dashboard, and on the left-hand side, click Plugins. Now this is just the plugin overview page. We can see we have 6 plugins installed, 2 of which are currently active, 4 of which are inactive. And the 2 that we have active are Contact Form 7 and the WordPress importer. Now the first thing you're probably going to want to do is to install a new plugin, and you can do that directly from here by clicking the Add New button up the top. Very much the same as installing a new theme. You can view by favorite, newest, popular, or featured, and naturally there's also the option to upload a plugin yourself. There are some plugins that don't exist on the WordPress plugin repository, so you won't be able to search for them to find them. These are often premium plugins or plugins purchased from a plugin marketplace. We're just going to start by installing a plugin. We'll install the WordPress SEO plugin. So back in the search area, we just type in what plugin we're after in the search box and then click the search button. It'll return a list of the plugins found for this particular query, and we can see that we have WordPress SEO by Yoast here, and we just click the Install Now button. WordPress will naturally prompt us to see if we do want to install it, which we do, and then it will go about downloading and installing that plugin for us. Once the plugin is installed, we can either activate it directly from here or return to the plugin installer. So we'll just return to the installer now and then just quickly pop back into the installed plugins list. If we scroll down, we can see the plugin we've just installed. Here is where you can activate any plugins as well, just by clicking the Activate link. Now, depending on the plugin that you use, but certainly for most of them, they'll usually have a custom options panel. And in the case of WordPress SEO, we have this little SEO menu down here. And you can click on that, and there you've got all of the particulars there. It will prompt you for a few different things. And all of these will be covered in a tutorial specific to this plugin later on. Now note we also have Contact Form 7 installed, which puts this contact menu item in the list over here. Now if we want to deactivate and delete a plugin, that's also very, very easy to do as well. We just go back to the plugins menu and find the plugin that we want to deactivate, so we'll just keep moving on with the plugin we've installed now. Just click the deactivate link and that will deactivate the plugin. However, if you've deactivated a plugin and you're not using it and don't really have any intention of using it again, it is best practice to delete a plugin that you're not using from your server. And that's because even though it might not be active, the code is still there on the server, and in the instance that a security vulnerability is discovered, people may intend on exploiting that. So just from this plugins list, we can scroll down, find the plugin we'd like to delete, and click the delete button. WordPress will confirm that we do want to delete it, just click yes. And that's how to delete a plugin. So this is the basics of installing, activating, deactivating, and removing plugins covered for you now. Plugins are a great way to extend WordPress features and functionalities, so this is all you need to get started. Have a look around, and if there's something you want to do to your website and you don't want to write the code for it, check if there's a plugin.